Good day everyone, and welcome to another very educative trading series with the Golf Club FX. My name is Mba George, aka Legacy, and today I'll be doing a trade breakdown on this pair called USDJPY, and I'll be doing the trade breakdown explaining to you guys why I got into this trade for buys and also why I sent the trade to the Golf Club community for buys, right? So I'll be explaining to you guys what I was looking out for, what I saw before I got into the trade for buys. So let's get down to it. Before I begin, I want you to do a very little task, and that task is for you to click on the subscribe button right now. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. So click on the subscribe button. I'm waiting. Yeah, click on it. All right. Also, like this video so that more people can watch this video and get educated. Yeah, like the video. Also, turn on the notification. It's for your good, so that when educative videos like this are being posted, you can get notified earlier and watch the video and also get informed and educated. So turn on the notification right now. Okay, that's good. So let's get down to it. Before I got into this trade for buys, there were 5 things I looked out for. The first thing is the trend of the market. The second thing I looked out for is the support and resistance level within the zone that I want to trade from. The third thing that I looked out for is the inverse head and shoulder pattern that I trade, right? And then the fourth thing that I looked out for is liquidity. The fifth thing that I looked out for is imbalance, right? And that's it. So let me start with the first thing. So when I came to the higher time frame of the weekly, which I'm looking at right now, and you're looking at this time frame right now on USDJPY, the weekly time frame, I came to the weekly time frame and I saw that this market is moving upwards. How do you know this market is moving upwards? So I took out my trend line, I drew it from this point here, and I connected it, and you can see that literally whenever the market comes to tap on this trend line, it impulsively moves up. So let me show you guys, right? So you can see from this point here, the market came to tap on this trend line, and what do you notice? The market immediately pushed higher, right? So when the market came to tap on this trend line, if you had bought here, took the trade for buys, you would have made so much money. Now it came back also to tap on this trend line, and if you had took the trade for buys when it came to tap on the trend line the second time, you would have made money, right? Because the market immediately moved higher, right? Now the market came to tap on the third time. So if you have missed the first time, the second time, now you have the opportunity the third time. And when the market came to hit the trend line the third time, I knew that it was an opportunity to make money. Also, when the market came to tap on the trend line the third time, I noticed that it was also a premium support level, and upwards you can see the premium resistance level. So now I've denoted the 2 levels that I want to trade within, right? So I'm going to be trading from the support to the resistance. Why? Because this market is on an uptrend, right? So immediately I dive down to my 2-hour time frame, right? And when I hit my 2-hour time frame, I saw another thing, another extra confirmation, which is what I call liquidity, right? Now remember, this is the trend line that the market came to tap on the higher time frame of the weekly, right? Now you can see this is where the market came to tap on the trend line, and you can see the impulsive move out. Now this impulsive move out forged what we call the head and shoulder pattern, which is the third thing that I looked out for, right? So the head and shoulder pattern is here. You can see the shoulder. This candle here is the head, broke the neckline impulsively and gave us the right shoulder, right? And then immediately we started moving up. So now when it gave us the right shoulder, it was still on the support level. We pushed higher. I got more confident about the trade, and then I saw liquidity. You can see that I saw liquidity. Sorry, So I saw liquidity, which is, this is the trend line liquidity. More liquidities above, which is what I call the equal high liquidity, right? Also seen, right? Even more liquidities above here, and imbalance at this zone here, right? So now this is the liquidity I saw, and then I waited for the trade to trigger me on this entry point here. My stop loss and the stop loss of the community was also below here, and our final take profits was above here. And you can see how the market, after giving the right shoulder, impulsively came up and then broke above the liquidity, came back a little bit back into our stop loss, but it was just, I saw that also like an inverse head and I saw that as a head and shoulder pattern also, because this is a shoulder, head, and the left shoulder, and the right shoulder, sorry, right? So I saw that as a shoulder pattern also, so I wasn't bothered about when the price came into our stop loss, right? So I just held tight, and you can see how the price immediately pushed higher and smashed our take profits. I made over $92 on profits, and many of my students also made good profits on this trade. And it's just simple, right? Just very simple. You can see, so let me just draw this to show you guys that this also equal highs. So you can see this is an equal high liquidity here, and you can see the imbalance here. So let me draw the imbalance out for you guys. So I'll be zoning the imbalance out with a red zone, right? So you can see the imbalance. I'm not going to be explaining what an imbalance is here, but the video is on the YouTube channel, right? So you can check it out and you understand what imbalance is. Remember, do also subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, and like this video if you learned a lot from this, right? So that's the imbalance, and like I stated to you guys, more imbalance above also, right? More imbalance above also. So there's still more room for this price to push higher, right? So that's it, guys. I love you all, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.